Some luxury SUVs can run perfectly for 10 years with minimal problems, while others start giving issues in just 2 to 3 years. In today's video, we're revealing the most reliable luxury SUVs of 2026, so you don't waste your money. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Auto Velocity. If you're planning to buy a luxury SUV that's not just comfortable, but also reliable for years, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, the Lexus GX 550. This SUV is a reliability king. It's built on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser platform, which means extreme durability. Perfect for rough roads and long-term ownership. Simple engineering, fewer electronics issues, this SUV is built to last. Log off / best for off-road plus long-term reliability. If you want something smooth and fuel-efficient for daily driving, the Lexus RX is a perfect choice, especially the hybrid version. Lower fuel consumption, lower maintenance, and excellent reliability. It's one of the best-selling luxury SUVs in the world. Log off / best for daily use plus fuel efficiency. Now let's talk about the Lexus LX 600. This is basically a luxury tank. With Land Cruiser DNA, it can easily last over 300,000 kilometers. If you want power, durability, and luxury all in one, this is a top choice. Log off / maximum durability. The Mercedes G-Class is an icon, strong, bold, and ultra-premium. It also offers solid reliability, but keep in mind, maintenance costs are very high. If budget isn't an issue, this is a true luxury beast. Log off / status plus premium. The Volvo XC60 is known for safety and comfort. It's a compact luxury SUV with strong reliability and a very refined driving experience. A smart choice for families. Log off / family plus safety. Quick tip. Some luxury SUVs like Range Rover and certain German models can have more electric.